Hi, Kamakram Sunuru. I'm going to talk about three very trivial features of SADSA. For the past few videos, I've been making demonstrations on how to perform data analysis using SADSA. SADSA stands for Software Application for Data Science and Analytics. So in this video, I would like to talk about three submenus called Save Data File, and Clear Data. So what is this? I call them trivial because they doesn't add much value to data analysis, but they support as a prerequisites for data processing. Now, right now I have some data. So I have explained how to import data file into SADSA data preview panel in my previous videos. Suppose if I make any change, say for example here I am converting this one into a missing data cell. So at times the app may change may save the changes, may not save the changes. For a few techniques it changes, for a few techniques it won't change. So it is always better if you go to the file and then save data. Now SADSA will let you know that data saved successfully in the grid. So right now the changes was saved in the data and data is available for the processing as it is. Okay, that is what SADSA save data menu would do in the application. Now coming to the save data file, this is just like saving the data file to the computer storage. Right now I have 26 rows of data with 20 columns. I would like to save all the data columns. So that is already there with me, so I do it a bit differently. Now what I do, save subset of the data. So row range, I would like to save only 5 first rows. In case if you want to save all the rows, you can just quickly click this button, select all rows, so that the number will change to the complete number of rows. These are just dimensions of the data file in your data preview panel. Now I would like to take only first 5 rows or maybe 10 rows. I just wanted to save only socio-economic variables. I'm not interested in age of family, education, study characteristics. No, right now I'm not interested. And then you also have buttons like select all, deselect all, something like that. So deselect all will deselect. So again, you just have to keep pressing each variable. That's it. You don't need to press any shift control buttons in order to make the multi-select. So remember my selection. I want to save subset, which means only few characteristics or attributes or variables of my data to a given number of rows. Now when I click OK, now this will take me somewhere else. I call it as socio economic caps. That's CSV file. I'm okay with CSV file. Now what do you like to do? I have selected CSV file. It is asking me what is your delimitation character. Say comma is okay. It's a decent special character for mine. Now it is saved. Now let me go back to my data. So where is my data? So it is better if in the files. Sometimes you have to say the time. So this is my first. I'll just enter so that the file will open automatically instead of going to the file path and that's it. So first 10 columns, only socioeconomic characteristics. So like that you can subset, or you can just say the data as it is. By the way, I have done some changes. Those changes are not reflecting in the data set, right? What is the change? The change is I made a few cells into null values here in S1. So in order to see if they are missing or not, one more time I'll just go for I select this time. So let me go for only 5 first records of the subset. 5 first records. Okay, yes, 1. Let me, you can select everything and anything. That's fine. Now I have socioeconomic right, so I will make use of the same yes. Now comma separatory values. Comma is okay to me. I will find the same. Then we go back. And then when I open this, let me see if that is, yeah. So first of all, because you see the null values have been saved as it is. So these are not trivial activities, but whereas whenever you would like to do some significant analysis, these trivial activities also sometimes very important activities. So I'll talk about how to deal with this, missing values in my one of the forthcoming videos. Right now, that is not the agenda for the talk. Now, so clear data, what it is. If you press, as the name connotes, it clears the data in the data review panel. Now, when I press this clip, it clears. So these are the three different tasks which I would like to talk in this video test. I'll come back with a new learning information in my forthcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content. Have a great day.